Okay, I just got through adjusting up the brakes. Cleaned the drums out. They was had some rust spots in it where it was sitting outside. Moisture got in there. If you just want to snug those brakes up, just where they're dragging a little bit. So anyway, that does that side. The other side goes a whole lot easier. Should. You would think, huh? So, let's go here. But, we'll go ahead and pause you. We're down to I guess it's a power saving thing there where it blacks out. Down to 33% on that battery already, so we'll go ahead and pause you. I'll get you going here. Well, matter of fact, you've seen me on that other one, so hopefully I won't have to fight it, but we'll go ahead and shut you down for right now. All right, see you a little later.